Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you stopping by for the first time, I'm Omoye Eromosele. So in today's video, I finally gathered the courage to do a makeup tutorial. I am so nervous, but let's see how this goes. So to achieve this look, I'm going to be showing you up close all the products I used. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button on your way out. So first off, I'm going with my eyebrow pencil, which is the Beautyline by Didi pencil, and I'm just going to be following the shape of my brows. I'm trying to define them and all of that, so you can see what I'm doing. To see an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to put that up on my channel. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going in with my concealer, and all the products I use will be in the description box, so no worries. And I'm just using a curved flat brush, so it's like tapered, to do that, and blending everything out to my eyelids with my beauty blender. At the top of my eyebrows, I am going in with my foundation to conceal them, and I would definitely recommend this rather than using a concealer because it makes your foundation application easier. Just using my spoolie to blend everything together, and now I'm going in with my moisturizer. This is very important. Honestly, we all need to start doing this, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my face before I go in with my primer. So now I'm going in with my foundation, and I like this particular one because it's super lightweight and very affordable. And I'm just using dabbing motions to blend it into my skin. I'm not spreading over, I'm dabbing in a corner and then moving to the other. Next, I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm going to be applying this on areas I want to emphasize, which are under my eyes, my chin, my smile lines, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose, because these are places where light will naturally hit. One thing I've learned is that you don't have to apply so much concealer to get the job done. I'm just going to be applying a little, and I'm going to let this sit for a while. I'm not going to blend it out immediately so that it moves less. So this is what my highlight usually looks like, and I don't cream contour just because I have a very extremely oily skin, and I try to reduce the amount of product that I apply to my skin just so my makeup lasts longer. So now I'm blending the concealer into my foundation, and I did let this sit for a while. When I start blending my under eyes, I look up, and this is very important just to make sure that the concealer doesn't crease. So when you're doing this, always make sure to look up. If you'd like to see an in-depth highlight and contour routine, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to put that up on my channel. Once I'm done blending in my concealer, I go in my setting powder, and I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm just dabbing this into the areas that I have already concealed. I'm not baking my face today, so I'm just lightly dabbing it in. Now I'm just going in with my lip liner, and I'm using this to emphasize the shape of my lips. I'm just going to line the top and the bottom before applying the color I want in the middle and blending everything out together. Now to powder contour, I'm using this eyeshadow palette. I've actually never used eyeshadow to contour before, but hey, we're being creative over here. I'm using a dark shade but mixing it with a bit of a lighter shade, and I'm just going to use this on the areas that I want to draw attention away from, the areas I don't want emphasized. So if you have a turkey neck, you should probably contour that place. Now I'm going in with my face powder to blend out my nose contour so it doesn't appear too harsh. And after that, I'm going to go in with the same powder and blend out everything on my face, blend it together so there's no demarcation of any sort. Just going in with some mascara, my natural eyelashes before I apply some falsies. And please, if you're a beginner especially, please use mascara, because I have applied false lashes without using mascara, and after makeup and everything was stuck on my natural lashes, by the time I applied the false lashes, they were looking like two differences and I looked like a clown. Going in with a white base, and I'm just going to be applying this on my waterline. I get very teary when I do this, and if you notice that this also happens to you, try tilting your head back. It helps, because if you cry when doing this could ruin your whole makeup, and we don't want that. We spent hours trying to get this. Now that I'm done with everything, I'm going in with my setting spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over my face and fan it down quickly to lock it in place. Hold up, wait a minute, I actually forgot to use my highlighter, and I'm just going to apply this on my face right now, as you can see. So this is the final look, guys. This is what I came up with. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.